Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to talk about one very common problem, and that is why I am not able to digest fruits. With many people this happen, like whenever they eat fruit, either they feel constipation or they feel a lot of gas in the stomach. As I am recommending in almost all my videos that fruits are very healthy, everybody should eat fruits, then there are some group of people who have written to me like they are not able to digest fruits. And as you are saying, fruits are very important, but how to eat if we are not able to digest them? So let's see what is the solution for this according to Ayurveda. Regarding fruits, we need to have little bit deeper understanding. If you have good digestive fire, that means whatever you eat, if you are able to digest that very quickly, then digestion of fruits is not a problem. But if your digestive fire is on the weaker side, or if you are more of Kaphaj body type and your digestive fire is not stronger enough to digest fruits, then we need to use some tricks and we need to understand the fruits a little more. Regarding fruits, there is a fact, those fruits which ripes very slowly, like in months, these kind of fruits, and those fruits which belongs to warm area like mango, like lychees, these kind of fruits are considered as pakwa rasa. Pakwa means ripe juice. Pakwa means ripe and rasa means juice. So in Ayurveda, these fruits are considered as ripe juice fruits. Then people must be thinking, but a watermelon that we are eating, that is also very ripe. But according to Ayurveda, this watermelon juice is considered as unripe juice, apakwa rasa. It is into unripe section. That means what? These fruits whose juice is not under pakwa rasa, means whose juices are not fully ripe and it does not contain more of Agni element, that is fire element in it. These kind of fruits are little bit tricky to digest if you have weak digestive fire. So what you can do if you have weak digestive fire, then choose fruits like mango, lychee. These fruits contains more of Agni Mahabhuta, that is fire element. Chiku, that is also is more into Agni Mahabhuta, that also contains more of fire element. Grapes also, if they are fully ripe, because if you have weak digestive fire, it is very important that you choose fruits which are not very kapha enhancing according to Ayurveda principles, because as your digestive fire is already low, so that it will not make the digestive fire more lower and the result will be constipation, indigestion, burps. In addition to that, also choose those fruits which are organically ripe. If you are taking fruit from market and for some reasons if you are taking fruit which is waxed outside like apple, if it is having wax coating, or if you are taking fruit which is not organically ripe or it is just ripe with chemicals. Now these kind of fruits when you will eat, they are very difficult to digest. But if you try to choose organic fruits which are being plucked from trees and which are being sold by farmers, these kind of fruits if you buy, you will see they will get easily digested. In addition to that, if you have digestion problem, make sure even if you are taking citrus fruit like orange or kiwi, make sure they are very fully ripe, because if you will take unripe fruit and if you have low digestion or slow metabolism, then it will cause gas, constipation, bloating, burps and indigestion. These kind of problems you will face. In addition to that, you can also use in fruits little bit of pepper and Himalayan salt. If you have weak digestion, that means your weight will also be on the lower side, because when we have weak digestion, it's very difficult to gain weight. So in these cases, you can use little bit of pepper, little bit of Himalayan salt. You can also mix fruits in these cases and make it and little bit of palm sugar, little bit of pepper, little bit of salt, and just cut these fruits and mix them up and then eat. This way you will be able to digest them. Start with small amount of fruits. Once you are able to digest this amount of fruits, then increase the quantity of fruits slowly, but it is not like if you don't have a habit of eating fruits early in the morning or empty stomach, don't immediately start taking so many fruits, then it will cause bloating. You need to train your body to eat fruits. It is not like suddenly you change your lifestyle, then you will not feel good. Even I teach my patients how to change lifestyle, I always recommend do it slowly, do it slow, step by step, because immediately if I tell a lot of things to them, for them it's very difficult to adopt those things. So according to your job, according to your work situation, according to your family situation, according to your time, we divide these fruits and food in a specific way so that it will yield health to you. In addition to that, if you have weak digestion, try to avoid fruits at evening, at night especially. After sunset, because that time digestive fire, as I mentioned in many of my videos, it goes very low and it becomes very difficult for a person to digest fruits. In addition to that, if somebody likes fruit after having food, then you can have fruits after 3 hours of having food, not immediately after having cooked food, because immediately if you will take fruit after having cooked food, then it will cause little bit of disturbance in stomach if you have weak digestive fire. But there are certain set of fruits which you can take even after fruit, like mango, because it has pakva rasa, that is ripe juices. But also ripe juices doesn't mean you just take unripe mango and start eating. It should be organically ripe on the tree. This kind of mango you can eat even after having food. Even in some cities, in some places of India where there is a lot of mangoes, people are eating wheat with mango. So they can eat, because, and that is their tradition, that's their culture, because mango is considered as pakva rasa, that is fully ripe, and it is a very good substitute to vegetable also if it is organically ripe. It provides all the nutrition is needed for the body to do the hard work or to do your daily day-to-day work. But yes, there is a precaution for diabetic people. They can't eat mango just like that. They need to take certain precautions while having mango, and in some cases mango is totally contraindicated if you have high sugar levels or very unstable sugar levels. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down your questions in the comment section and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.